All English Podcast.
Let me ask you something before we start. Have you ever known exactly what you want to say in English, but your sentence stops right here? Should I say I will? Or I'm going to? If that tiny moment of doubt sounds familiar, don't worry. You're not confused. You're learning.
And today, we're turning that moment of doubt into a moment of confidence.
Welcome to All English Podcast, where English isn't about memorizing rules, but about understanding meaning.
Today's topic is one of the most common and most misunderstood parts of English.
Will versus going to. Let's start with something important and surprisingly simple. Both will and going to talk about the future.
But they don't talk about the same kind of future.
English doesn't choose grammar randomly. It chooses grammar based on how your mind decides.
Let's talk about will first. We use will when the decision is made at the moment of speaking.
No plan, no preparation, just a reaction.
Imagine this. You're sitting at your desk.
You suddenly think, "Oh, I'm really thirsty."
So you say, "I'll drink some water."
That decision didn't exist 5 seconds ago. That's why will feels natural here. Now, will is also the language of promises.
When you say, "I'll help you," "I won't forget," "I'll call you tonight,"
You're not talking about a schedule. You're giving your word.
Another important use of will is offers.
Like when you see someone struggling.
"I'll carry that for you." "I'll open the door."
Again, instant decision, instant help.
And finally, will is often used for predictions based on opinions, not evidence.
I think it'll rain tomorrow. I believe you'll enjoy this podcast.
No proof, just a feeling.
Now let's switch gears. Going to lives in your mind before you speak.
It's for plans, intentions, and decisions you made earlier.
For example, I'm going to start a podcast. I'm going to study English seriously this year.
You didn't decide this right now. You've been thinking about it.
Going to is also very strong with predictions, but only when there's evidence.
You look outside. The sky is dark. The clouds are heavy.
You don't think anymore. You see,
It's going to rain.
now let's put them side by side.
The phone rings.
You say, I'll answer it.
That's a reaction.
Different situation. You're waiting for an important call.
You already decided. I'm going to answer the phone.
Same action. Different mindset.
Another example.
I'm exhausted. I'll go to bed.
Spontaneous,
But I'm gonna go to bed at 10 tonight.
planned.
Here's something many learners do, and it's completely normal.
They use will for everything.
I'll travel to Italy next summer,
Is it wrong? No,
but I'm going to travel to Italy next summer. Sounds more natural.
because travel plans usually exist before we speak.
In real conversation, native speakers often say, gonna.
I'm gonna call her. I'm gonna start tomorrow.
You'll hear it everywhere.
But as a learner, start with going to clearly.
Clarity first. Speed later.
Listen to the difference in questions.
Will you help me?
That's a request.
Are you going to help me?
That's asking about a plan.
Now negatives.
I won't forget.
A promise.
I'm not going to forget.
An intention. If you remember only one thing, remember this.
Ask yourself, did this decision exist before now?
If yes, going to. If no, will.
You will mix them sometimes.
That doesn't mean you're bad at English.
It means your brain is learning patterns.
Fluency comes from meaning, not perfection. The future isn't one thing.
Sometimes it's a sudden decision. Sometimes it's a quiet plan.
English didn't create will and going to confuse you.
It created them to describe how humans think.
If this episode helped you, listen again. Not to memorize.
But to notice,
And if you want more episodes that make English feel natural,
subscribe, share this with another learner, and keep learning with us.
this was All English Podcasts. See you in the next episode, and don't be afraid of the future.